Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1946 Chevy pickup truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have a 350 Chevrolet 4-bolt main engine, one-piece rear main seal. We have a double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue. All the wire markers are on there. Engine block painted Chevrolet orange with the brass freeze plugs. Correct oil pan for the 350 Chevrolet. We have the polished aluminum intake manifold. Braided PCV line on there. Thermostat housings on there. 2 extra water ports for any coolant sensors. Thermostats installed. Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. GM Performance HEI distributor set in place. We have the standard flywheel on there. Center force 26 spline clutch in there, all aligned, all set. Customer's going to be getting the TKX 5-speed transmission with the Tilton internal hydraulic throwout bearing. We'll set up the internal hydraulic throwout bearing, the measurement on there for the correct end play. We have the high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. It's real nice chrome Chevrolet valve covers with the breather. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups. Braided fuel line at the carburetor, electric choke wire. Air cleaners on there with a washable filter. Fuel pressure gauge on there. All the correct AN fittings. All set up with the loop clamps. Muscle Car Series fuel pump. Edelbrock gas filter right here, all set. We have the high mount 140 amp 1-wire hookup alternator right here. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. High flow aluminum water pump, standard rotation. GM Saginaw power steering pump, all set. Belt tension set, heavy duty 8-rib belt. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum rating, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the idle mixture screws to get the best manifold vacuum. We set the ignition timing. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put the engine in, it's going to be 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call. 908-323-5847. You can text us at that number or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-owned, operated business here. So there you have it, our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine with the clutch and bell housing for a customer's 1946 Chevy pickup. Thanks for watching.